Welcome to and thank you for enrolling in Mixing a Song from Start to Finish. It's an online course and I hope the title is self-explanatory. We're going to go through and literally take the raw recordings, the multi-track files of a song, and mix them from beginning to end. Alright, so my name is Matt Hayes. I'm an audio engineer, been doing this for about 12 years. Been lucky enough to have worked on albums that have gone platinum and been nominated for a Grammy. I'm also a college teacher, certified higher education professional, and I'm an Avid certified Pro Tools instructor and Wave certified as well. So in this course, I'm going to take you, as I mentioned, from start to finish on mixing a song. So I'm providing you with the files for a song called No Worries from Riot Phoenix. It's a commercial release that I mixed a while back from Riot's project called Rise of the Phoenix. Google it if you want to try and find it, but I've also got links provided in some of the next videos here too. So I'm going to give you the multi-track stem so that you can download it and follow along with the lectures in this course. The way this is kind of structured, and keep in mind this is just one approach to mixing. All engineers kind of have their own ways of doing things, and I'm just showing you my approach for a lot of this stuff. But the course is kind of broken down into this first little intro segment that you're in now, which is going to also include downloading and importing the files and kind of getting your session organized and that kind of thing. And then we're going to look at some of the effects, because these signal processing plugins and effects that we use are basically the tools of the trade. That's kind of the heart of mixing, is using these effects to sonically improve the song that you're working on. So we'll dig into EQ, compression, noise gating, reverb, delay, and modulation effects before actually digging in and actually mixing. From there, we'll get into the session and really start editing, and then we'll dig into actually applying these effects and mixing the drums and the music and automation and all the way up to printing the final mixes, whether it's going to a mastering engineer or directly to distribution for the consumer. This course is kind of aimed at people who have a little bit of experience in this. I'm assuming you've tried mixing a song before, whether it was with good results or with terrible results, but you have a basic understanding of how to use whatever digital audio workstation software you're working with. I'll be using Pro Tools 12 for this course, but if you're using something else, don't stress it. You can really follow along using any DAW because you're going to have the exact same files, the same song that I'm mixing. But a little bit of knowledge of effects and just being comfortable and knowing how to do things like automation in your software will go a long way as you're going through this course. The last thing, just to make sure you get the most out of this course also, make sure your video player is set to its highest quality that you can do. 720p or higher is really recommended because you kind of need to be able to see what's going on my screen as I'm working in Pro Tools to do all this stuff. But as long as you do that, it should be good to go, and we'll see you in the next video.